New on 5:30 now. Tonight, you may think it's the common cold, but it could actually be something much worse. Whooping cough is surfacing in our region, and one local school district wants students and parents to use caution. Here's News Channel 5's Heather Van Arsdale.
At least one case of pertussis, otherwise known as whooping cough, has been diagnosed in Plattsburgh, according to city school officials.
We now have a confirmed case at Oak Street, one presumed case at Bailey, and we have 2 more people being tested.
Superintendent Jake Short says letters were sent out this week district-wide to keep families informed, and he says the affected students are getting treatment.
Probable, which means the test hasn't come back with whooping cough. However, they've started antibiotics just to be sure.
And he wants parents and teachers to watch out for the symptoms to avoid a serious spread of the disease. According to health officials, the symptoms can start off similar to a common cold. You may experience upper respiratory infection, sneezing, runny nose, a low-grade fever, and a cough. With pertussis, though, these symptoms get worse over several weeks, and the cough becomes much more severe. If that happens, see your doctor right away and isolate yourself, since whooping cough is primarily spread through direct contact.
People need to have personal responsibility of going to the doctor and isolating. It's not to make themselves better, it's to keep from other people getting sick.
Short feels it's important to stay ahead of these types of illnesses and be proactive if they do show up.
Everything comes back around. The moment we think a disease is eradicated or not going to be in our forefront is the moment that we then realize there's no such thing.
In Plattsburgh, Heather Van Arsdale, News Channel 5.